In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started copy trading on the Binance Smart Chain network, because this could be the greatest opportunity in copy trading history and you don't want to miss it. Meme coins are blowing up on the Binance Smart Chain network, with people making hundreds of thousands of dollars within hours. Coins going from 5,000 market cap to 280 million in a day. It's absolute mayhem, and the founder of Binance is moving fast, pulling volume away from other chains like Solana more than ever. And this is great news for us copy traders, because while Solana is still crushing it and our users are still making crazy amounts of money, like this member who made $1,400 in the last 3 days. Now we have another avenue where we can print money copy trading the most successful traders on the Binance Smart Chain network. Like another one of our members who's up $1,100 this week copy trading meme coins with BNB. I love copy trading on Solana. It's still my favorite network, but BNB is a new source of profitable traders, which is untapped. There's not many people who know how to copy trade on this network, and it's a huge opportunity for you to make serious money copy trading. We've got people in Telegram groups saying that BNB is on easy mode. Our members in our Discord are saying that BNB is a literal gold mine. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started copy trading with BNB. I'll have you up and running in less than 15 minutes, and I'll show you the best platforms to use that are all free, all web-based, and all extremely easy to use. Your transition from Solana to BNB will be pretty effortless if you follow the steps in this video. So if you're ready to be the first to this market, then smash that like button and let's get started. All right, everyone, what's up? We're gonna do this very simply so you can get up and running very, very quickly. I'm gonna show you all the tools that you need, all the platforms that you're gonna use, and the exact bot that you're gonna use to successfully copy trade on BNB. Now, all the links that I'm about to talk about here will be in the description of this video. I'll link out to everything that I mentioned, so you don't have to go searching or possibly find the wrong bot or scam bot, because we have had members who have in the past done Google searches or searches in Telegram for certain bots and found the wrong one and lost money. So you never want to do that. All right, so it's really 5 steps. We'll talk about how to get BNB. We'll talk about all your options when it comes to copy trading bots so you can choose the right one for you. We'll talk about how to transition to GMGN or Photon in regards to BNB if you are used to using them for Solana. And I'll show you where to find wallets, and then I'll show you how to start trading. So first of all, you're going to want to get some BNB. BNB is a cryptocurrency just like Solana, and it's the native token of Binance Smart Chain. It's what you're going to use to trade meme coins. Any meme coins you buy, you're going to trade BNB for that meme coin, and then when you sell, you're going to sell that meme coin for BNB. To get BNB, you can use Binance if you're in the US or outside the US, except some states in the US don't allow it. So we'll have some options if that's the case. You can also use Kraken or any other major exchange that you like to use that sells BNB. If you don't have the option for crypto exchange, I mean, like maybe you live in New York or something, which is super annoying. I used to live in New York and you can't use any of these sites. What you can do is you can use a site called dBridge. So dBridge allows you to basically bridge any crypto to any other crypto. So you can come on here, you can click bridge. That's going to open up this page. You can choose Solana, connect your wallet. Maybe you're using Phantom or some other wallet. Then you're going to choose to receive BNB. You're going to get MetaMask. If you don't already have MetaMask, look at the link in the description. It's a Google Chrome extension, and it's a wallet that you can use to house your BNB. You're going to need MetaMask because you're going to need to connect MetaMask to Photon and GMGN so you can use these platforms at the highest level. You can't even use Photon unless you connect your MetaMask. So make sure that you come in, use the link, download MetaMask, set up your account, and now you'll have an address to send your BNB to. So come back to dBridge, put your BNB wallet address here, connect your Solana wallet, and make the transfer. Make sure you have the wallet addresses correct. You can even just connect your wallet through this. So I can just come in here and click MetaMask to connect my BNB chain wallet to my MetaMask, which is in Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, you can download Chrome or any other browser, which allows you to install MetaMask. Or you can just simply use the MetaMask web app. You could also get any of these other wallets that allow you to host BNB in the region that you're from. I know for me, in America, I can't get BNB on Coinbase. You'll have to look into your local crypto regulations and see what's right for you. So once you do that, just send however much Solana and convert it to BNB, send it to your wallet. You'll then have BNB in your wallet. If you're using exchange, buy it from the exchange and send it to your wallet. Or you can simply send it from the exchange directly to your copy trading bot. So that's how you get BNB. So now it's time to choose a copy trading bot. So when it comes to copy trading bots for BNB, you have many options. You can use Telegram bots, you can use web apps, or you can use GUI bots. Again, all the links to the official bots will be in the description. Now, I've been talking to the community all week, seeing what everyone is using, what everyone likes best, and I've been using some stuff myself. And I have to say, so far, my number one pick for trading on BNB is DBot. It's extremely easy to sign up, extremely easy to use, and it's a web-based app that you can also use on Telegram. Your web app and your Telegram is linked together. You can see all your trades happening in real time on Telegram. You can change your settings on Telegram while you're on the go, but you can also do everything on the web, which I really like. There are phony DBots out there. There are many Telegram apps that look like the real DBot that are not. Some people have lost money, so I put the official links in the description. But also on Telegram, there's BaseBot that you can use. There's Bloom EVM, which now supports Binance. There's another web bot called Dexcelerate, which I like a lot as well, although it's a little too simple for me at the moment. And then in terms of GUI bot, you have Leap Trading Bot, which you can pay to get their BNB module. It's quite expensive, but if that's something you want to do because they have the most advanced settings, I will let you know more about that in the description below. So like I said, I really recommend DBot X. It actually supports every single chain: Solana, Ethereum, Base, Binance Smart Chain. It has a web and Telegram app. It's got some really great features. It's not the most advanced. Leap is definitely the most advanced for buying the dip and doing advanced stuff like this. But people are sniping BNB tokens. They are copy trading BNB tokens very successfully. You can join our Discord and see people's real results using DBot. We also have a whole section just for talking about sniping devs, and everyone here is pretty much using DBot to see really, really nice results. So use the link in the description, come here and start your account. You can connect your wallet. It's really easy if you've already set up your MetaMask, just connect your wallet, or you can sign up through email. And once you're in, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come down to copy. You're obviously going to have your wallet connected. You're going to have BNB in your wallet. So everything's going to be funded, and you're ready to now set up a copy trading task, which I'll show you how to do. But first, you need to find good wallets to copy on the Binance Smart Chain network. So I'm not going to go too deep on finding wallets on the Binance network in this tutorial. On our channel, we've got plenty of tutorials on how to find wallets on the Solana network, and all of the same principles apply. We're using the exact same tools. We're using GMGN to check out the wallets and look at their latest trades. We're using Photon to analyze the charts, to see where they bought, to see where they sold. And we're also using Photon on a free level to go through and find the top traders, check out their addresses on GMGN. Or if you want to save time and be able to check thousands of wallets in minutes, then we've got copytrader.com. That's our platform. It's built for copy traders, helps you save hundreds of hours, helps you protect your capital by being able to simulate with wallets, to protect you from losing money with wallets that you never had a chance with. And since our last video, we have incorporated numerous BNB tools. We've had our Solana tools for a while. I think they're the best in the market, but now we're building BNB tools one by one. We've got our BNB wallet drops, which we drop every day, profitable wallets on the BNB network. You can come through, select a wallet, or open it up right in GMGN. Check out the latest trades. This guy looks pretty nice at a nice 10x win here, has some really clean wins, pretty decent hold times. Very easy to find wallets very quickly using copytrader.com. That's copytrader.com with 2 R's, just in case you don't want to go to the other one because you will be in the wrong place. We've also got tools to help you find your own wallet. You can extract the first 500 buyers of any token. So if you come in here and you find a really nice token that you like this one, you open it up in Photon, check it out, see how it looks. I think that this looks like a token. To me, this looks like a really good token. Started here and went up really high, really quickly. You can come through, just copy this token address, come through here, throw it in the extractor, and it will extract the first 500 buy transactions and extract all the unique wallets from those 500 transactions, which in this case is 387 wallets. You can export that right here. Now you've got a whole list of wallets who bought this token. You can come through here, you can copy them, you can check them one by one, but honestly, nobody does that because you can just come in, throw them in the bulk wallet analyzer, upload the whole CSV if you want, analyze these wallets in real time. We'll take a few minutes. It will go through all the wallets, and what's really powerful is it will check open positions, everything. It will give you the total ROI, the total win rate, the real stats that you won't even get on GMGN, because if they have open positions, then these stats can be skewed. We can come back here, wait for this to be done. Once it's done, you can come through here, you can filter to find the perfect wallets that you want, or you can sort by win rate or ROI, whatever you want. Looks like there's some really good wallets in here just off the first look. I like this one, 87% win rate, 33% ROI, 90 190 tokens traded, buying with a very small amount of money. You can do whatever you want. Copytrader.com is a really fantastic tool. It'll help you find wallets really, really quickly for BNB and also for Solana. We've got daily wallet drops, like I said. But if you don't want to invest in the tools, you want to go the free route, what you're going to need to do is come to any token like this, go to the top traders, take a look at people who have a nice buy size, like this guy bought 500, sold for 11,000. I'm interested in him. You know, obviously bought at some really nice times, sold really nicely. So what you'd have to do is you'd have to come through here, copy his wallet address, come to GMGN, throw him in. And what I forgot to say was when you're on GMGN, if you're used to using it on Solana, all you have to do is come here and click BSC for Binance Smart Chain, and then it will be all tailored to Binance Smart Chain from the front end and to when you search for addresses, because if you search for them when you're on Solana, then nothing is going to come up. So make sure that you are using the right chain. Same with Photon. Instead of going to photon-sol.tinyastro.io, which is the weirdest URL ever, you're gonna go to photon-bnb. Or if you're on the Solana version, then you can simply come here and just click BNB, and now you're ready to look at tokens on the BNB network. So if I come back to GMGN and I throw this wallet address in there, again, I'm on Sol, I'm gonna go to BSC, I can find the person's wallet address, I can see their stats in GMGN, I can look at all their latest trades. And what I'm gonna wanna do, I'm gonna wanna analyze the last 20 trades. I'm gonna wanna click the token, I'm gonna wanna go to Photon, open up the chart, I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna copy the wallet address of the trader, go to Photon, click makers on the transactions tab, put the maker in there, and I'm going to see all his transactions. I'm going to scroll out so I can see the buy and the sell bubbles, so I can see his transactions. It was on October 9th, so it should be coming up soon. Okay, so he bought here and he sold here. Looks pretty good, not much slippage when he buys. He's buying high market cap tokens. There was a lot more room to make money. Obviously you want to find people who are buying in areas down here, but this is not a bad trader. I need to analyze 20 of his trades, see if there's an opportunity. We go through all of that, how to find opportunities with traders on our YouTube channel. We talk more about it in our Discord. So if you want to learn more about that, just check out our videos. A lot of them are tailored to Solana wallets, but all of these strategies for Solana, like this one or the developer wallet strategy, they're all going to work exactly the same as BNB, because you're just simply using GMGN, you're using Photon, and you're just copying their trades with DBotX. It's that simple. So that's it. Once you find a wallet you really like, you've done the proper analysis of the last 20 tokens, you have a proper strategy, you're not just guessing, then you're going to want to trade. So you're going to grab that person's wallet address. If you like them, you're going to go to your DBotX account and you're going to create a copy trading task. So in basic settings, you're going to go through BSC, you're going to name the task whatever you want it to be. You're going to put however many wallets you want in here. You're going to select what wallet the money is going to come from. You should have BNB in your wallet, which I don't at the moment, or else obviously you're not going to buy any trades. Then you've got all your settings here, and I'm going to have a full step-by-step tutorial on the best BNB settings for copy trading, but it's all pretty self-explanatory. The only confusing thing for people is usually the gas. Basically, all you need to know is one of these things called GWEI or GWEI. If you want to know how much you're spending on gas, 1 billion GWEI equals 1 BNB. So you can figure out the math, figure out how much you're going to be spending on gas, how much you're willing to spend on gas. Myself and other people in the group, we are getting away with gas as low as 2 and a max 50. But if you find that a lot of trades are failing, then you have to increase your gas a little bit, depending on how much you're willing to spend, increase your max, how much you're willing to spend. And you want to make sure you're getting into tokens without spending too much. You got all sorts of settings like your slippage, whether you want to buy max or fixed amount. We usually buy fixed amount. I recommend starting testing with 0.1. Well, that's for Solana, so 0.01 would be better here. It will tell you the US dollar amount here. You can choose all your settings, skipping honeypots, only buy once, whatever you want. I'm not going to go through every setting here now, but there's really nice filters. There's protection and take profit and stop loss for your entire wallet. So if you're losing too much money, it will stop copy trading, which I really, really like. You could have a mixed sell mode. You can only copy and not sell. You can use take profit and stop loss, or you can mix. So if they sell, you will copy their sell, or you can also have a take profit and a stop loss. You can set your take profit to be whatever you want it to be. You can have auto stop loss to be whatever you want that to be. You can have a trailing stop loss. So if the coin goes up, starts to come back down 20%, you can sell a certain amount. You can expire that take profit or stop loss. You have all sorts of really cool stuff, and you can set your gas for the sell as well. So it's really easy. As soon as you hit save, then you will be straight up listening for this person's trades. Whenever they make the trades, your bot will buy it. You can come down here, click Telegram bot, link this web bot to the Binance Smart Chain Telegram bot, and then anytime they buy, you will get an alert on your phone. In Telegram, you can change your settings, you can pause it, you can do whatever you want. That's why I really like DBot. It's a really great bot. You can literally set it up in 5 minutes. You can protect yourself by setting a wallet stop loss. So if you have a bunch of money in there and that you're copying, they lose, let's say 20% of it, then it will just stop and pause it. You can also snipe devs simply just by copying the developer wallet address, just like we did for this wallet. Quick tip, if you're doing that, if you're sniping devs and you're putting the dev wallets in here, what a lot of people in our group like to do is they like to set a max market cap of $10,000. So if the coin is above $10,000, then you won't buy it. So if the developer launches a token, you want to get in at under 10,000. And then if it does something like this and you got in at under 10,000, then you can literally turn $100 into $10,000 in a single day. That's it. I'm going to have really in-depth tutorials on DBot and all the other stuff that you can do with it, because DBot can do a lot of stuff, not just copy trading. It's a really fantastic bot. I'm going to talk more about copy trading tools on copytrader.com. We're going to be adding more and more BNB tools as we go. We're also going to be incorporating Ethereum and Base, and we're going to continue to support Solana and continue to add amazing tools for Solana, like our trade simulator, which is better than any other trade simulator out there. But now you know exactly how to get started trading BNB. There's a huge opportunity on the Binance Smart Chain network. People are making serious money, finding it easier than Solana. Even though I'm still on Solana, doing a lot of buying the dip with high market cap traders really successfully, BNB is just a whole new terrain for you to explore, and honestly, a really great way to make money. So that's it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. All the links to everything I mentioned here are in the description. They are the official links. Please leave a comment if you like this video or you have any other suggestions. Please smash a like on this video if it helped you at all. Subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about copy trading, because we just do copy trading on every single chain. If there's a place to make money copying other people's trades, then you're going to learn about it here. We're a new company, but we're growing so fast, and I'm so grateful to all the support and to everyone who is watching this, to everyone who is on our Discord channel. This is a great and helpful Discord channel. If you are into copy trading, join here and you can learn from a bunch of amazing people. That's it for now. My name is Sean. Again, thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video.